Making slime backwards. Let's try. First, we're going to go ahead and put some activator. It might be a little tricky because I did ask. Oh no! I made a fluffy slime and I forgot to put it away. Let me... Oh, I saved it. There we go. So let's mix some activator. Next, I add this. Okay, let's add it. Then mix. Oh, mix. This is just here. I got myself dirty. It's okay. I forgot to clean out my bowl. There's still chunks of slime in the bowl. Anyways, let's add some shaving cream. Let's go. Look at this. It's like a little bloop bloop. Ew. Okay. This is my first ever video, so guys, please, please, please do not make fun of me. Then next I add the color. I think I'm gonna go with this green and this yellow. Let's put them in. I already used that green for the apple pie scented one. Just mix some in like so. This is a literal nightmare. Okay, mix. Actually feels like a little chunky for some reason. Anyways, the last step is glue. Let's add some glue. And mix. It's activating so quickly. Is this the best way to make slime? This is already activated. I just need to like mix it with my hands. Look. I think I put a little too much glue, but that's okay. I just quickly clean my hands. And then add some activator. Oh my god. This is amazing. And if you guys want to see more of me on your screen, or if you want me to react to videos like movies, it's on me. Okay. If you guys want, I can actually react to videos. I mean, movies. So, comment down below. What movie should I react to? Ooh, this is so stretchy. But this is supposed to be a glossy, fluffy slime, and this is just glossy. Like, listen. That is just gloss. We need it to be fluffy, glossy. Add some shaving cream. I think that was a little too much. Mix. I do not want to get my hands dirty, so I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. With my spoon. This is becoming fluffy. It's this consistency. I don't know how to say it. It's this consistency. Yeah, I kind of said it. Comment down below if I said it wrong. Wow. This is fluffy, but rippy and not glossy and stretchy at all. If it's like this, add some lotion. I'm just using my mouth lotion. I'm joking. This is fine. It smells so good. Did the slime just take over the lotion? No, there it is. And it's okay if it becomes like this. That means it's working. This is great for bubble pops. But it's white. I want it to be a minty green. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing. Wait. They don't love me like I love you. And wait. They don't love me like I love you. And wait. They don't love me like I love you. And wait. They don't love me like I love you. Oh. It's hot in here. Hold on, guys. Give me a sec. Sorry if it was like dark for like a couple seconds. I needed to turn on the fan. Oh, it's currently nighttime. I just have my light on. Just kidding, it's not nighttime. It's morning. Day, not morning no more. It smells so good. Hey. This is becoming a little rippy, but I want it to be like not rippy like this. I want it to be a... Why don't you say it? Say it. They meant. What did oh. She meant to say, I'm joking, there's nobody here to believe me. I'm just, those are both a bunch of my slimes that I made. Just take all my car and then just get the yellow, open, rip out, put in, mix it in. Now I have a green slime mixed with yellow. Just keep on mixing until I'm happy with the color. And, oh, the yellow's finally getting to some good progress. It's mixing. Let's mix the yellow to, what does green and yellow make? I have no idea. While this is going, I'm going to add some lotion onto my hands. And start mixing. This is a big mess. But look how you can make a big mess. No. I got so much glue on my carpet and I did not know this. Sorry. I think I want it to be a yellow slime, so let me go ahead and find the green. There you are. Yay. It's already green enough, but I need it to be yellow. This is a pretty color. You don't believe me? You think this is white, right? This is white. This is mint green. Okay, I think that's enough yellow. There we go. And mix. It's like a, oh no, a minty color. And this, it's a little whippy, but when you go slow, it turns into like a beautiful, luscious, and delicious. Let me add some scent into it. This right there. I'm gonna add some scent. That's cool. I think that might be a little strong scent. What is my hair doing in this slime? Who wants a slime? I'm joking. I'm not going to show you guys a slime. And plus, I don't even know how to sell stuff. So, be for real. I think I put a bit, not too much lotion. Is that too much? In my slime opinion, no, it's never too much. I think this might be a little too much now. It's like stringy. Let's mix it instead. I am so dirty. Let me just put this back on. And mix. This is so pretty. Add a little bit of more cotton scent. Just a little. Oh, not that too much. Oh god, that's too strong. Oh god, don't do that, don't do that. Okay. What color is this? Is it green or yellow? In my opinion, it's really green. But that depends on you guys. And Isabella, if you're watching this, I am making 20 slimes. This is my last one. No, I'm joking, this isn't my last one. I just made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slimes. I need like 1,000 more. Not 1,000 more, but you guys know what I mean. You know what I mean, Isabella. I'm just gonna add this green slime. This is so green then compared to this one. I'm just gonna get this one and then just mix it with that one. I can't even open these pads no more. The slime work has taken over me. 3, 2, 1, and I'm gonna make it into a swirl. Just a little green and white green swirl. This make such good bubble pops. Listen. Hold on. Hear that? It's like a buttery texture, but it's like stretchy and it's pretty. Did this slime be good? Is good? I don't know. Let's have you guys vote. Okay, now I just need a packet and then I can post this video. I'm okay. Oh, and if people are bullying you guys, no, if like you have like a best friend that is mean to you, say this. Two. Sorry, I'm allergic to fake friends. And then it's okay if you get told on. It's okay if you get told on. I don't care. Well, if you don't want to get told on, then don't say that because they can actually cry, drama, what happened? Like, drama happens to me every single day. I'm just gonna pack like a little bit of some lotion in the bag or something. I don't know. A little slip and slide for the slime. So I can make the slime go down. Before I put that in, I have to clean the bowl so I can make more slimes. And now just then just put your fingers in the middle and some cute. Like so. Check. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this slime. Wow, it's still in the bag. No, it ripped open. It ripped open. Now I have no choice but to take it out. And then just mix it. This is not fun. I'm done here, guys. I'm okay. I need help. Not again. Whoa. Ow. I'm okay. Oh, that's dirty. Got dirty in so many hairs. Okay. Go back. Okay. Okay. bucket up and bucket full and a bowl full of some glue just fell on my foot. I'm joking, there was nothing in there. Thank goodness. Just happy No way. There's a hole? It's okay. I'm gonna at least care about this. I can make more of it. Okay. That's it. I'm done.